Welcome back to Technology Trends. Today, we're exploring the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, rumored to arrive in early 2026, and diving into its biggest design and feature upgrades yet. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell to stay ahead of the smartphone curve. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to launch in January or February 2026, shortly after the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is unveiled this July. It will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 in all regions. Samsung's Exynos 2600 will power the S26 and S26 Plus elsewhere, but the Ultra will remain Snapdragon exclusive. The S26 Ultra adopts a sleeker profile, with ultra-thin display bezels and a refined build. Expect a 6.9-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED panel and titanium frame backings. Samsung is pushing boundaries with inkjet-printed camera lenses, reducing the rear camera bump and adding room for bigger internals. Major change here, Samsung appears set to ditch the S Pen digitizer layer, possibly phasing out the built-in slot. In exchange, expect a new S Pen, slimmer and magnet-friendly, along with Qi2 magnetic charging built into the phone, similar to Apple's MagSafe. By removing the digitizer, Samsung frees up internal space. Fresh rumors hint at a silicon-carbon battery that could push capacity well past the standard 5,000 mAh seen today, maybe even towards 6,000 to 7,000 mAh. While rear camera upgrades are modest, the Pro Visual Engine and Galaxy AI Suite promise smarter photography, real-time HDR, AI photo, video edits, object removal, and more. Although rumors suggest the main camera remains 50 megapixels, expect improved optical quality and under-display camera retention. Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, USB 3.2, IP68 rating, you name it, the S26 Ultra will include every flagship feature. It ships with One UI 8 on Android 16, and Samsung's update promise continues, 7 years of OS and security support. IT's a bold leap, slimmer design, magnetic Qi2, re-engineered S Pen, larger battery, and AI camera power. The S26 Ultra could redefine flagship phones in 2026. Speech balloon. What excites you the most, the new charging tech, vapor-thin build, or AI features? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, share, and subscribe for full launch coverage on technology trends.